A roster station shows everyone who's previously checked in to a certain location. It's meant to be used by a teacher in their classroom, so they can keep track of who's there. If you're a teacher, the first thing you want to do is select the right location and time. On the Ready tab, you can see all the kids who are ready to be checked in, based on who's been there before. When they arrive, all you have to do to check them in is just check the box. And if you have printing turned on, their labels will automatically print. If you don't see the person you're looking for on this list, you can use the search bar to find them. Type in their name, and if you don't see them there, then go ahead and search the entire database. Then you can select them and get them checked in. If you're checking in more than one person, like people in the same household, you can check them all in at the same time without the page jumping around. And if you accidentally select someone, you can just unselect them. One other note here. If more than one kid from the same household checks in at the same station, they'll share the same security code. So it will only print one set of the required labels. Once someone's checked in, they move over to the Here tab. If any kids have medical notes, this is a really easy place to see those. And if you need to send a text to an adult about any of the kids in your class, you can do that from right here. Choose the adult and the message that fits the situation. Let's go with the positive one for our new mom who was anxious about dropping off their kid. We'll go with doing great, and then send the message. In some churches, everyone checks in at the lobby and then has to walk a ways to actually get to their class. In that case, you can turn on confirm check-ins so that you can confirm when each kid actually makes it to their class. Now, when we're on the Here tab, we'll see a list of the unconfirmed check-ins at the top. When those kids get to class, just tap the down arrow, and they'll move down to the confirmed part of the list. When it's time to check kids out, you'll want to make sure that their security code matches up with the adult's security code. Each child's label will have a security code printed on it, but you can also see it from the roster station. If you turn on Show Security Codes, you'll see a code just below each kid's name. When someone comes to pick them up, you can make sure this code matches the adult's code. When a kid is ready to leave, tap the right arrow and they'll move over to the Checked Out tab.